How to use the 9 types of honey in cooking and baking. All honey are not created equally. Many brands are pasteurized and filtered. Some brands also add water, sugar, and natural flavors. Buy local honey. The bees in your community make honey from the local plants. This helps to reduce seasonal allergies. The local flowers also produce a unique flavor of honey. 9 types of honey. Acacia honey or black locust honey. This mild-tasting, all-purpose honey is made from the nectar of the black locust flowers. It is one of the clearest and lightest-colored honey. It is a general-purpose honey that is delicious in tea and poured generously over pancakes and biscuits. Buckwheat honey. Buckwheat honey is called the Guinness of honey because it has a dark color and earthy, malty aroma. Buckwheat honey has lots of vitamins and trace minerals, making it ideal for homemade cough syrups. Clover honey. Clover honey is a popular honey in the U.S. There are many brands of clover honey that use artificial flavors, so read the ingredients on the label. Clover honey is also sold as creamed or whipped clover honey. It is great on sandwiches and drizzled over oatmeal and yogurt. Clover honey is great for salad dressings, glazes, and marinades. Eucalyptus honey. This honey is made from the nectar of the eucalyptus blossoms. It originated in Australia but is now widely available in California. Eucalyptus honey is ideal for teas and soothing a cough. Fireweed honey. Fireweed honey is known as the champagne of honeys. It is made from the nectar of the fireweed plant that grows in the Pacific Northwest and Alaska. It has a mild, delicate, buttery taste with a hint of spice. It is great for marinades and glazes for grilled foods. Orange blossom honey. This honey is produced in regions of the world that grow citrus. Many brands use artificial flavors, so read the ingredients on the label. It is a general-purpose honey that is delicious in tea and over pancakes and biscuits. Sage honey. This is made from the nectar of the black sage flowers that grow along the slopes of the Sierra Nevada mountain range. Sage honey has a heavier body than other types of honey. It is great for teas and drizzling over bread and pastries. It is also good for soothing coughs. Tupelo honey. This honey is harvested yearly from the Tupelo tree from the swamps in the southeastern United States. It is expensive because it is only harvested once a year. It has a complex, floral, fruity, and spicy taste. Tupelo honey is used in several types of mead, or wine. It is great for teas and drizzling over pancakes, biscuits, and ice cream. Wildflower honey. Wildflower honey is made from the nectar of different flowers. The taste depends on the flowers in the local community. It is great for teas and marinating meats and chicken. Helpful tip for cooking and baking with honey. Spray measuring spoons and cups with non-stick cooking spray to allow the honey to slide off easily.